Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to replace the damaged battery of an HP Pavilion laptop with a new one. This is the laptop for which I am changing the battery. I purchased the replacement battery online from Techie website. Their details, website and the product link are given in the description below. On their website, it was very easy to identify the correct battery for the corresponding laptop model. The options were clearly listed, so finding the right product was simple. You can check the link in the description if you need a similar battery for your laptop. Along with the battery, I also purchased a 3-in-1 multifunctional laptop sleeve. It helps carry the laptop safely and it can also be used as a laptop stand while working. It is very handy and one of the most useful item I have purchased recently. The product link for that is also given in the description. Now coming to the replacement process, the first step is to open the back cover of the laptop. For that, I purchased a small toolkit with precision screwdrivers and triangular opener. This type of small kit is very useful for temporary laptop repair and maintenance work. I have also mentioned that product in the description. First, remove all the screws from the back panel carefully. After that, use the triangular opener and gently loosen and remove the back cover. Here, I want to mention one important point. Extra care should be taken while removing the back cover of an HP Pavilion laptop because of parts are made up of plastic body, especially near the ports, may be weak and easy to crack. If you try to pull out the back cover without properly releasing the locks, it may damage the plastic body. In my case, I noticed a slight damage near the USB port area. So please be very careful during this step. Once the back cover is removed, you can see the battery inside. First, disconnect the battery connector from the laptop motherboard. Then remove the screws holding the battery in place. After removing the old battery, place the new battery in the same position, connect it properly and tighten the screws securely. That's it. The battery replacement part is actually very simple. The only step where you need to be extra careful is while opening and closing the back cover, especially around the port sections. After installing the battery, close the back cover carefully and tighten all the screws back in place. The battery came with a manual and the step for first time charging and battery calibration are clearly mentioned here. For me, for the calibration of battery, it took half day or more. And if you have stuck with the calibration process or have doubts in the calibration process, you can check their website for instruction videos. Please follow the manual instruction for the first few charge cycles so that the battery will be ready for proper use. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.